Hey guys, computertastic here with another unboxing. This one is of the Hype Ultra Slim Bluetooth keyboard, compatible with most Bluetooth devices. I bought this for my Windows tablet and I'm hoping it works like I want it to. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So it's pretty much nothing much, just a piece of fabric wrapping the keyboard. Ooh, it's actually feels quite sturdy. Can't really bend it, that's good. Actually feels like a really nice keyboard. And then we have a little key card, operating manual. Not sure why you need that. But it takes AAA batteries and that's about it. So yeah, this is the Hype Bluetooth keyboard. So yeah, thanks for watching and hope you guys like this video. And remember, if you like this video, to comment, like it, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I am Computertastic. Hope you have a great day.